Hey, what's up guys? As you all know, this is my home network that we built several months ago. I basically unplugged most of the cables. I only have the switch running there because somebody's using the Wi-Fi. Our project right now is to add up a patch panel. Some of you might be asking, what is a patch panel? Well, a patch panel is a network device that you can use to organize the cables, properly manage it, make it neat, clean, and tidy so that it will not be spaghetti of cables running all around your home network or office network. Now, some of you might also argue having a patch panel at home would be an overkill for home network. And yeah, that's true. For me, I only have like 4 cables that is running from first floor, and then another one for the CCTV, another one for the Wi-Fi, and then another one going to the top floor. So probably 4 cables that are going to be more of a permanent cable running through the house. And of course, this is 24 ports. Now for me, I'm thinking of later on, I'm going to be adding more network cables. It's up to you to decide if you really want to have a patch panel, if you want to organize those cables. Anyways, in this video, I want to show you how you can add up a patch panel, right? Okay, so we have the patch panel. You need to have a punch down tool. Then of course, I have already prepared the 4 main links that I currently have right now, and they are properly labeled here. You can see this is LAN 1, this is going to the first floor, and this is CCTV 1, which I have on the first floor. Then I have Wi-Fi 2, this is the second floor, and the Wi-Fi. Then I have Wi-Fi 1, which is going to the first floor as the Wi-Fi. Now, labeling these ones would help you identify later on if you're tracking some lines or troubleshooting, and at the same time you know if this CCTV 1 is connected to this port, or maybe this Wi-Fi 2 is connected to this port. Now the next thing I want to do here is of course cut these lines because we are going to punch it at the back. So I basically just going to cut it here. I'm just okay, cut. And then I just want to make sure that I'm not cutting that one. Oh no. So anyways, we're going to rename it later. Now here at the back, whatever we are using here guys, it's orange, white, orange, that is B. So we're going to use the B version. This is 1, so we start here. And you can see the marking here that all the wires that we are going to punch here, that is 1 pointing the arrow up, this 2 is pointing this one, so this is port number 2, and so on and so forth. We have 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until it reaches number 24. So we'll need 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I want to put on my CCTV. I just go ahead and strip this one out like that, and basically I was able to remove the marking. So I just want to make sure that I want to mark CCTV here, CCTV 1, and you just follow the markings here. If we are using you can see the mark there. I'll just use this one. This is T658B, so this is straight through B, this upper line here. So if you are using A, you follow all this one, the second line of colors. Now we are going to follow this one here. So simply like, I'm just going to remove that. Okay, then basically untwist this one. It's basically easy. And I'm going to untwist this one also. I'll just follow the colors on top. So I have the white blue like this. So I'll just place it like that. Then I'm going to punch it since it's going to go like this. So white first. You can prepare them like that first. And then we have blue. And then I have white, orange. Right. Anyway, this punch down tool doesn't have a cutting edge here. I hope it's going to cut it, because if you are going to punch this one, it should be able to cut the extra wire here. So anyway, let's try the white blue, because that's the first one. You punch it down. See, it's not cutting it, so I'll just go ahead and cut it later on, all of it, if it's already punched, and then I'll go for the white blue, right, like that. Then I'll go for the white orange. And then I'll go for this one. Is the brown? Yep, we nearly made a mistake. See, we need to have green first, guys. Make sure you have the right colors. So I have the white green, then I have the green color, then I have, oopsie, there you go with the brown, right? And then I have the brown. So as you can see, it's not cutting here. It's not cutting because of the type of punch down tool that I have. It doesn't have a blade, so I can use a cutter to cut this one like that. Okay, so the first one is done, and we can go along and continue with 2, 3, 4, right?
Let's make it faster. We have white blue blue, we have white orange orange, then we have white green, green, white brown, white brown. So there you go, like that. Okay.
See, if you have this one aligned properly, you just go ahead and punch, punch, punch. And of course, I'm just going to cut it here again. Okay. Then the last one.
Punch, 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 punch.
And you can fix this one like that. So you can tie this one up so that it will be clear all throughout. It reaches here. But for now, I didn't have a tie wire to do that. So anyway, it's just 4 of them. If we add up more, then I can do that one. Let's go here. And you can fix this one like that. So you can tie this one up so that it will be clear all throughout. It reaches here. But for now, I didn't have a tie wire to do that. So anyway, it's just 4 of them. If we add up more, then I can do that one.
It will look like this. And of course, I'm going to install the patch panel. Imagine if you have like 24 ports, or maybe 20 ports here. It would eat up all this patch panel now. This network rack is dusty. Nobody has been touching it for some time. Okay.
Look. Now, this is the current problem that I have right now. The patch cables that I have are very long, so if I'm going to plug it here, it will fill up the cable manager. But anyway, later on, I'm going to change them with shorter cables like this. You see, it's very short. So if you're going to use this kind of cable, if you want to know about it, I'll just place a link on the description below, because you see, the concept of this one is if you plug the cable here, you can let it go through this cable manager, which has a very small what do you call this one, cable thingy, and then I'll plug it to one. So that's how manageable it is. Now, these cables that I have are very long, but I'm going to use it right now. Later, I'm going to change it because if you try to see, I'm going to use this one for port number 2. It looks actually really nice because it's big, but you see, it's going to eat up the cable manager, like you see. What? You see? Whoever does that. So I'll go buy a shorter cable versions of this one. Anyway, they are like, or you can make it if you want to. Like that. So that's how it is. Then I'll go again here. And then I'll do the same like that. So if you see this one on those data infrastructure centers, you'll see that we have cable managers like that. Oh no, you see I have only 2 cables in this cable manager is full. It should be a short cable. So anyway, for the sake of this video, I'll just use it for now because I do not have the shorter cables. Maybe one foot cable going here is good. And I always like a color coding kind of scenario, so I need to buy something like uniform cable for this one. And then it's full, but you will see also the use case of this cable manager. You see, once I have that one there, I don't advise you to do these very long cables, right? I'll just get this cable manager cover, then I'll just go ahead and cover this dude. Like, there you go. Yeah, that's good. So you can see the cables going up here later on if there will be more, and they're properly cabled, right? If you try to watch some of my videos, some of these switches are full in the setups that we have been doing, but this serves as a very good example for using a patch panel like this, right? Anyways guys, that's our patch panel right there. That's how you install it, that's how you use it. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you have any comments, just drop a comment down below. And if you like this video, press that like button, and if you are not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe. See ya.